Hi guys, this is Priyanka, co-founder Innerjourneys, and tell me one thing, that you have a feeling that you can't answer back to people, or do you sometimes regret that somebody misbehaved with you and you're not able to give it back to that person, or you could not settle your scores with the person? Have you ever thought why you were not able to say give it back to someone, or be as rude as the person was with you, or maybe not as rude, but you were not able to say assertively communicate with someone else when they were trying to pull you down or when they were trying to control you? See, there could be many reasons behind it, but one important reason is an injunction which is given to us as a kid. Like, if you are a good boy or a good girl, then you will behave in a certain manner. Like, good girls do not yell and scream. The good boys do not indulge in, say, a fight, a physical fight, or, children should not answer back to their elders. And you should always be polite or courteous. You should develop the skills to listen. अगर कोई कुछ बोल रहा है तो सुन लो, चुप रहो, पलट के जवाब मत दो. If you are a good girl or a good boy, then this is like a set guideline that you'll have to follow. And then you will be liked by people or your family or your parents or by the society. And see, all these injunctions, when they take like a place in your subconscious mind, they actually stop you from making your boundaries with people, because you're not able to say anything to people very effectively and assertively. And if you don't draw boundaries with people, then what they do, they keep pushing you, and pushing you. So they will keep saying things to you until and unless one day you gather the courage and you stop them. And if at all you do it, then you will keep feeling guilty that I shouldn't have said this to this person. Oh, I was very rude and I was very mean and I was nasty. And then you will take yourself on a guilt trip because the good girl or the good boy in you is saying that this is something wrong that you have done. Now people will stop liking you or loving you. But if you do your inner work, if you have done your inner child healing, if you have healed that injunction there of being a good girl or a good boy, then you can actually be assertive. You can actually make boundaries with people. You can stop them before they encroach your territory and pull you down. And that is how, my dear friends, you can actually protect your peace and your self-esteem. Do think about it. Thank you.